What's up, guys? All right, so we are back with the Lexus. Last video, I swapped out the front lower arm for it. Today, I'm just messing around with some wrap stuff. So, hood's not prepped. Hood still needs to be primered and wet sanded. I don't know if I'm just gonna have my buddy do a single stage spray on it, but for now, gonna be working on the trunk. Removed the wing a little bit ago, so I still have these holes where the wing bolted onto. I know I'm gonna get a lot of shit for that because guess what? I'm not fixing them. I'm leaving it. I don't have a welder. I'm not a body guy. I don't care. I'm just gonna wrap over them and see how it looks. Old wing right here. Clear coat was just peeling like nobody's business, so it had to go. And plus, I don't like the wing. I want a wingless. I like how it looks a lot better without the wing. I think it's a lot cleaner. Sills off, license plates off, license plate lights are off. All I have left to do is, I don't know if I'm gonna pull these or maybe just go around them, but I plan on, I don't know if I'm gonna sand this down to make it smoother. Come on, focus. I don't know if I'm gonna sand this down to make it smoother, because I don't want it to be showing through the wrap. So we'll see if I can sand that stuff down and yeah, go from there. Definitely know I'm gonna get a lot of for this because I know you're not supposed to sand it. It's supposed to be like a rubber disc or some shit. I don't have one. So emblems are off. That looks beautiful. Just kidding, looks like trash, I know. But like I said, I don't care. I'm just wrapping it. That's it. So I smoothed it down. You won't be able to see any of the old IS300 or Lexus emblems through the wrap. Yeah, just clean this thing up and then throw some vinyl on top. All right, we're back. So I didn't film the majority of wrapping the trunk. I'll show you the clip where I pretty badly f***ed up, and what I did was I didn't install it properly down here. So the first try, I was like, all right, I'm gonna cut a seam down the middle. I'm gonna have a line there, and then I realized, you know what, that's not the proper way to do it. So I said, nope, not gonna do that. I ripped the wrap right off. There's some on the ground, some more down there. What about the trash can? It wasn't much, it was about 3 feet by 5 feet, so it was like 25 bucks for the wrap. I figured it was worth it, better than having a line, having a seam, having it look bad. But I mean, it didn't come out too shabby. For my first time wrapping something, it's not the cleanest, it's not the prettiest. I don't have a dust-free shop. So we're gonna finish wrapping the little garnish piece right here that I so great thing broke. This thing is just old plastic, so, you know, happens. But I gotta say, I love the no wing look. I'll finish wrapping that garnish, put it back together, and show you guys what it looks like. So if you notice me keep looking at the camera instead of the lens, looking at the screen. I'm new to this. I've never filmed myself. Not gonna lie, I feel actually really uncomfortable doing this right now, but I'm getting more used to it. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there in case anybody else wants to film a video or you don't know what to do or don't know how to act. I don't either. I've never done this. Well, I did. This is my second time doing this, so you know, just letting everybody know that. And the trunk is done. Got the garnish on. Looks all right. Not too bad. For my first time ever wrapping something that is not a hood or a roof or something flat, you know, had some contour to it. But I'd say it came out good. It's not too bad. Like I said, these holes right here, get up close and focus. You can see them, but it's not anything crazy. So, I'm still trying to figure out how to hold this thing. First part of the Lexus is wrapped. We'll just keep moving on it and go from there. Next thing I think I'm gonna do is probably have my buddy Jose come over maybe, and we'll probably do the whole quarter panel, A-pillar, and bottom, because that I want to do all in one piece. It's not as complex because of curves or anything, it's just a really big piece. I would hate myself if I tried to put it on the car and it fell down and I ruined another piece of vinyl. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna ask for help on that one and see if my buddy can come by and see what we can do. So this video is probably gonna be boring, not that long, but anyways, thanks for watching.